Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Charges at Delhi's airport could rise 800%. The rupee falls to a new low against the dollar. And markets break an 8-day losing streak. First off, Delhi's airport has been charging customers flying out for some time now, but those costs could get much higher. The airport's operating consortium DIAL has plans to hike navigation and parking charges by almost 800%. And that's not all. It also wants to charge arriving passengers the usual airport charges as well as a user development fee. Until now, DIAL has only charged the airport fee from departing passengers. Domestic passengers pay 200 rupees and international ones pay 1300. But Delhi's airport has seen its modernization costs shoot up, and its operators are keen to recoup some of that money from the passengers. DIAL's proposal has to be approved by regulator AERA. In other news, the Indian rupee has made history for a second day in a row. On Tuesday, it dropped to a new low. It ended trade at 52 rupees and 32 paise against the dollar. Earlier in the day, it had plunged to an even lower 52 rupees and 72 paise. Its closing price on Monday was 52.15. All in all, India's currency has fallen nearly 17% since July end. And the Reserve Bank has now become more discreet about its actions on the rupee. On Tuesday, Governor D. Subbarao said he would not comment on what RBI might be doing to shore up the rupee. He added that he expected things to improve once Europe's debt crisis moved towards a solution. Last week, Deputy Governor Subir Gokarn had said RBI would be cautious about using its forex reserves to strengthen the rupee. And with the rupee falling in value, it's virtually certain India won't meet its fiscal deficit target this year. On Tuesday, Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee said that the government was going to overshoot the 4.6% target for this fiscal. Mukherjee also indicated that fiscal tightening was not necessarily the best remedy. That's because it could lead to greater unemployment and slower growth. What's more, Mukherjee added that the Reserve Bank needed to balance the twin priorities of controlling inflation and encouraging growth. And finally, Indian markets broke an 8-day losing streak on Tuesday thanks largely to short covering. The Sensex jumped 119 points to 16,065 and the Nifty climbed 34 to 4,812. Auto shares were among the big gainers of the day. Tata Motors jumped 6.91% on the BSE to 173 and Maruti sped up 1.83% to 960. Among banking stocks, SBI gained nearly 1% by the end of trade, and ICICI Bank shot up 1.83% to 745 rupees and 85 paise. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.